This car was running for about a minute, so I am going to say it is from a cold start, but I want to open up the hood. And then start her up.